Here's my creek again. Kind of built up. You can see this looks kind of sketchy, but it's really pretty solid. I'm gonna walk on it. It's firmed up. That water has done a number. But I wanted to show you, this is, if you can see in this embankment, you see quite a few, white blotches where the quartz is sticking out. This is one of the veins that I first found that is washing out. So sometimes I come over here and I check, like right here, just check what that is. This is what's washing out. A lot of times coming right directly out of the face of this creek. Pretty little quartz. You can see it right there. And I found it because I had a very large smoky quartz just sticking up out of the ground up there, and then I noticed a lot of rock coming down this way, and I came down here and I looked at the creek and I saw that, noticed it. So that's one of the areas where it washes out and comes out of the right out of the face of the bank right here. As you can see. So it's one way to check things out. Pay attention to what you see on the ground. You can have a vein, it can be very noticeable on the ground itself and actually leading to a creek. And you can see that. So if I was to dig, that's a neat looking, look at the lines in that one. But if I were to dig right through here, going all the way up there, I most certainly would find some neat looking specimens. So it's always good to pay attention to those banks. We've got some debris in the creek right here I've got to clean up, but you see some deposits that have occurred. This creek is really eroding the bank. I had a big tree right here. There was one right there that fell. That's been a few years, but pay attention to things like that because you'll find rocks sticking directly out of the bank that are a vein, going up into your property. And you can find some really neat finds. But that's where all the rocks are coming from. They're washing down to the creek. So one way to look and find some neat stuff. And I wanted to show you guys that and kind of give you that heads up when you're searching, when you're looking. Not seeing anything special right offhand right now, but anyway, there's going to be something. I know there will be something. Just what's it going to be? That's some of the same old. Again, this thing has made a beach out of this area and pushed a lot of the rock away. So now I have to go down stream and find where it went. So we'll go do that.